Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today I want to talk about Nvidia's recent drop, and you can see that this is occurring pre-market. This video will most likely be going up prior to the market opening on June 28th. Right now, the stock is down about 3% from yesterday's closing price, and that is on news that the Biden administration is planning on curbing AI, or rather chips, exports to China. So you can see right here that the trillion-dollar company is expected to see a negative hit to income. This is going to be after a recent guide higher to saying that the expected earnings for this calendar year or this next quarter is going to be coming in very, very nicely. You can see that that caused a large jump in earnings at the last earnings report. So the stock was around $300 a share. Since that point in time, it is up nearly 40%, or it was at that 3 or 420 mark that you can see here. But again, they announced earnings. They guided higher for $11 billion in revenue. So if you look at the fundamentals here and we come down to income statement, you can see for their Q1 revenue that they highlighted, their last quarter, was about $7.2 billion. And their guide was for $11 billion in Q2. And that would be accompanied by strong margins as well. However, one of the concerns with the news that they've released here is if we come down below, you can see that especially the advanced technologies and military applications that these chips can be used for is what is causing concerns. So if I dive into the Barrons article that is available here on TD Ameritrade, the expectation is that this would negatively impact both AMD, Nvidia, as well as Intel. Right now, those stocks are all down a little bit. So the question has to be, why would we expect this to negatively impact Nvidia? So what I'm showing here on the screen is from Statista.com, and it is showing Nvidia revenue worldwide from 2017 to 2023 on a regional basis. And you can see when I hover over this that China is a large percentage of the overall market from Nvidia. The United States still being the largest. However, China is coming in at a close second. So the question going forward is going to be, where do we expect this to materialize if we were to see that slow down? You can already see a large drop year over year from 2022 to 2023. And the question has to be if we would expect this to continue to decline if the government was going to say you cannot expect to see, or you cannot sell as many chips to those locations. You can see this chart available in the description down below, and it'll be interesting to see how this impacts the overall stock price, recognizing that this company has grown by multiple hundreds of billions of dollars in market capitalization over the course of the past month. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think is going to happen with Nvidia, and last but not least, if you find this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later.